I'm not worried about those groups because we have solutions here. The only thing that was worrying me, which we must address in the coming budgets, now we may not be able to address it, was the issue of the weather. Because these other issues, there is war in Ukraine and Russia, there will be no bread. If there is no bread, eat muwogo. Muwogo is here. What is the problem? You know, Africans really confuse themselves. You are crying that there is no wheat. I don't eat bread myself. If there is no bread, eat muwogo. Muwogo is here. So my real worry was actually the weather. Because the rain was becoming delayed, actually, it delayed. Instead of starting in March, it started in April. So I think as a country, we should plan that in the next budgets, maybe in the other one, we are now not able, but deal with the issue of irrigation so that we don't depend on this. Once we do that, for me, I'm not concerned with anything. If whoever wants to, Uganda has got everything. There's nothing we lack. It is a question of just waking up. Even in the next few years, we shall be having our petroleum here, and we have got other energy sources. So all those don't concern us. It is the only one I think now we must look at is irrigation, because that one is the one which can cause us real problems if the rain fails. So I cannot be part of that muddle-headedness when people's heads don't work properly. So that's how we were able to take tough decisions and survive. The problem is now we have petrol, fertilizer, these are now man-made. They are not nature-made. They are made by our friends in Europe who are fighting. We are talking to them quietly, to all of them, talking quietly. Why? We shall see. But for me, I'm not worried. I'm not worried either about the natural problems, because you saw we handled the corona. If we handled the corona, what else can we not handle? Now, for this problem of man-made, which has caused also other problems, I think we shall find solutions. We are talking quietly to the Western group, also to the Russians and the other people. We shall see. We shall brief you at the right time.